Archaeologists in Turfan came across some weird relics. Though well preserved, they had hardened over 1700 years. These crescent shaped relics were momos. Today, every Indian street is soaked with momo stalls. Love letters to this dish can be found on Reddit.
बाकी चीजें खाते थे, लेकिन अब मोमोज की लोकप्रियता बहुत बढ़ गई है और आज मैं मोमोज अपने साथ लेकर आया हूं।
Still, this love only gets deeper. In 2021, 1 crore Indians ordered momos through Zomato. And if you crave them, every city has its undisputed spots. For our capital, it's Dolma Auntie. Even the thought of these juicy balls of dough with spicy chutney can fill your mouth with water. But if we are gonna talk about momos, we also have to talk about gyoza, mandu, ravioli, and cherry Veronique, which by the way is a sweet dessert.
क्या? अरे यार चिकन मोमो की प्लेट लेके आओ जाओ।
See, there is nothing common about the momos. They are adored across the globe. Some dumplings are eaten as a tradition, and in some places, they personify ancestry. In Nepal, momos are paired with soup and taken as supper.
Hi. I messed up. I spent weeks over this video and now I can't post it. My boss wants to cover health versus topics and momos doesn't really fit the category. He is correct, but to post this video now I need to make clean momos.
Daddy, chill.
What the hell is even that?
But before all that, let's eat some momos.
Tibet, officials of his cabinet, and the Chinese government. It was solely through their cooperation that this trip was made possible.
In the 1950s, Tibet, an independent and largely isolated part of the world, was brutally annexed by China. What followed was the escape of 80,000 Tibetans who found a new home in India. They brought with themselves these balls of dough. Majnu Ka Tila, a Tibetan refuge in Delhi, is my favorite place to enjoy momos.
For Mumbai, Reddit recommended Surajla momos. And to be honest, with a plate of these adorable momos, I don't care about calories or quality. And I am not the only one. Indians are obsessed with momos. But why do we love them so much?
You see, the time between spotting them and gobbling them is quite short. These dumplings adapted to the Indian taste and at an affordable price with excellent chutney and a bit of black magic, momos stole our hearts. But if you think everyone loves momos, you are wrong. One group of people can't stand them. Even its name sends people into a frenzy. This dangerous group of people are often known by the name Ma.
तो बस मोमोज खा लो, कच्चा मैदा होता है सारा, पेट में जम जाता है और थोड़ियां चिपक जाएंगी तेरी।
See, can't blame mummies because Dolma Auntie is not going to care for you in case of food poisoning. And cheap Indian street food is famous for being a step below unhealthy. But hey, don't hate the player, hate the game. The idea of a momo is healthy steamed vegetables with chicken or paneer. One Reddit comment covers it brilliantly. Dough with protein equals peak delicacy.
So the verdict is 1 to 2 momos occasionally is okay.
But can we stretch that? Eating 2 momos from a plate of 6 is just disrespectful. But one magic word is what everything up. Maida. So atta or whole wheat has a lot of fiber with some nutrients and vitamins. That's why it's a staple across the world, and most of the fiber can be found in the hull and germ of the wheat grain. But to make maida, Only the middle starch rich part is taken to be grinded and bleached, giving us this white powder. And with absolutely no surprise, this refined version of wheat is bad for you. Mainly the lack of fiber and other nutrients makes you feel less full. It can spike blood sugar levels and lead to weight gain.
Yeah, okay, but time to fix this. I can't do this alone, so Sayana got the rice papers, I made the fillings, and Kabir is just here. Hi, Kabir. And after steaming them, time for the final boss. Our boss.